Hi, what's up you guys? It's your boy, Justin Passetti, back again with another Merchandise Monday. Today's video is going to be a little more local store that I found recently. The store has actually been there for, he said, like a couple of years, what the cashier said when I went there. So I was really surprised when I went to the Rosemont Fashion Outlets of Chicago recently with my family. And I haven't been there in a little bit, like in a hot minute, just because there wasn't really too much there when I went there before. But recently this store opened. It's called, I'll show you guys the bag, called Diplomatic. They buy, sell, and there's co-signments for definitely one of those flight stores that you'll find in New York or in California. It was really cool in my opinion because I really don't see that many in Chicago itself, at least, you know, around. I wouldn't really consider Rosemont like Chicago because it's like more on the outsides of the city, so it's definitely a lot cooler because it's more easy to get to in my opinion, so you don't have to drive through all the traffic and then find parking, etc, etc. So definitely check out Rosemont. The store, like I said, it's Diplomatic. They said that they've been there for the last 2-3 years, I believe, so it's honestly really cool. I'll definitely show you guys the shirts that I bought. I believe also he mentioned that these shirts are also like by a homemade artist from Chicago, and it's a local artist. I mean, so it's definitely really cool having someone to put these type of creative art out there. It's like these t-shirts were really cool. I was expecting them to be like, you know, at least, you know, those absurd like crazy resale prices, but I believe the prints that this artist is making is like starting up recently, I believe. I'm not too sure. I did search him up on Instagram, so really looking forward to making this review first of all, and then buying more shirts from this guy, because the artist that you'll definitely wrap around, and then it doesn't really have any brand name, which I do like, and then you only know the shirt if you recognize the artist. The two shirts I did by a rapper, so hopefully if you guys get a chance, you'll look at it and you'll be like, oh, that's pretty cool, I know who that is, because there are no words or anything. It is just a graphic art design, so really looking forward to showing you guys that. But I believe before we get on to that like quick look at the shirts, just a friendly reminder to please hit that like and subscribe button. It really does help out my YouTube channel, puts my YouTube videos out there, and also helps you find content that you would like to see in the near future. And also don't forget to follow me on Facebook and on Instagram, all Justin Passetti. I post a lot more on Instagram, so if you have any comments about this video, about the store, you can definitely put it down in the comment section down below, or you can hit me up on Instagram. But I believe that's all I have for the introduction of this video. Let's get on to the shirts themselves. Hi, so as you can tell, you do have the bag here. It's a nice big logo, so Diplomatic buy and sell and consignments. Definitely really look out for their website on Rosemont itself. Definitely really cool store. I'll show you guys the one this is how the packaging normally is. There are two shirts I did buy. The reason why one of them isn't sealed as the first one is because I did buy the last shirt, so that's why you'll see that the second one is not in the plastic wrapping in comparison to the first one. So going on up to the first one, this is how it's normally sold. So as you can tell, you have the plastic wrapping like this. You do have there comes with the shirt that you buy, a sticker, and then also their business card, and then also has their Instagram handle. I'm not too sure if you can see that. If not, I'll definitely post it around throughout the video, so you'll definitely be able to see throughout the video what the Instagram handle is. So, you know, definitely sealed. I did open it a little bit, but then I realized I wanted to make a YouTube video out of this, so that's why it's kind of open like this. But now we're just going to open it up. There we go. And then I'll do the handle over here. Here you go, if you want to take a quick pause and look at what that is, and then I'll show you guys the other side. Has the instructions on how to, you know, wash it, so there you go. And then here is the sticker that comes with every purchase of the shirt. If you can tell who that is, definitely put the comment down in the comment section below if you think you know who this is. And then here is the shirt. It's the same image as the sticker, but regardless of the way, it's definitely more like pop culture type of outfit, definitely more streetwear. But I guess if you, depending on certain events with what you're wearing, I guess you could pull this off with other type of clothing and outfits, but I guess it depends on the type of person you are if you're able to pull it off. So here is the shirt. You do have on the tag the brand and then the size. I recommend going with a size small. For some quick reference, I'm about like 5'4", 5'5", 145 pounds. My chest size is about 32, and then my waist size is also about 30, 32. I think the chest size is actually 34, 32, 36, something like that. Hopefully that helps with your sizing, and honestly, that's really cool. The image itself is definitely a different type of fabric when you feel the cotton around it, so it's definitely, I'm not sure if you can hear it on the video, but like this is what it feels like. Really cool image. So there's this artist, and like I said, definitely put your comments down below if you think you know who that is. And here is the second one. Like I said earlier, this one was the last shirt, so it is not in that same plastic covering, but that's why, well, like the artist itself, so that's why I bought the last one regardless, because you know the shirt was still packaged in a nice wrapping when you see it at the store, and then you'll really know what I mean. So here's the second artist. If you think you know who this is, definitely put it down in the comment section down below. And here is the shirt also. Same white shirt with the logo, brand name, and then also the sizing and the tag. So like I said earlier, go true to size if you can. And then I really do like this shirt because it is more like a pop culture kind of reference. It also comes in black. So there's white, black. I don't remember if there are any other colors when it comes to the shirt. I believe they also press these at the store themselves. So there are different artists that you'll be able to also see at the store. So definitely check them out at Rosemont and see if you really are interested with this. Not only do they have shirts, but they also have shoes like Yeezys, you have Jordans, other kind of shoes that you'll find at like an Air Flight or a Flight Club type of store. So definitely check them out. But I believe those are like the quick look as to the shirts themselves. If you have any thoughts or comments, definitely put them down below like I mentioned earlier. Really looking forward to going to the store more often and definitely reposting them, because honestly I really don't get the chance, at least in Chicago that's like kind of close by when you're in the suburbs, to really find something like this throughout the area. But I'm really looking forward to seeing this type of store, more of the streetwear that I'll be able to wear more often. But I believe that's all I have for that quick look of the store and then also the shirts. So definitely looking forward to seeing it like I said earlier. But let's go on to the conclusion of this video. Alright, so if you guys made it all the way to the end of this video, just want to say thank you guys for watching this YouTube video, this little quick review. So definitely check out the store at Rosemont in Chicago. So here you go. Here is the store name. And then also I want to show you guys the stickers again, and also the Instagram handle for the person that is making these shirts, because it's honestly really cool. So here are the two stickers. Definitely, like I said earlier throughout the video like multiple times, if you do know these artists, definitely put it down in the comment section below. I really would like to interact with you guys, and if you guys know who the artist is, that'd be really clutch to talk about music. And then also here is the Instagram handle right there. And I'll show you guys the back also. This is just how they wash it. So these are just the cleaning instructions. But here is the handle again. And really looking forward to buying more products from there. Like I said earlier, it is not only t-shirts, pop culture t-shirts, but they also have other other merchandise that is similar to like Flight Club in New York and California. So they also have shoes, they also have Bape, they also have Supreme, those type of, you know, Hypebeast, I would say Hypebeast definitely type of products, because it's definitely something that's new around the area that I honestly haven't seen recently, especially in Rosemont. I haven't really been to that many in Chicago because it's just so hard to travel out there from the suburbs. So definitely put your thoughts in the comment section down below what you guys think about the products, what you guys think of the video. Do you guys plan on going to the store? And really looking forward to going, I'm really looking forward to going back to the store and hopefully interacting with the employees and then also the creator of this, so we can definitely make possibly more like kind of professional connections. That's all I have for this merchandise money, and really looking forward to seeing you guys on another Monday. Hope you guys have a great rest of your week, but you know, for now, it is your boy Justin Passetti, so try to keep up. Hi, deuces.